With more than 200 miles of streets connecting the city of Wausau's attractions, businesses, and homes, it's a big job to keep them all in good condition. But the engineering division of Public Works is up to the challenge. Obviously, the first task they have is to identify which areas are in need of repair, and that's why every mile of the city's streets is driven every 2 years to rate their condition. Once that's finished, problem areas are targeted for a variety of projects, whether it's something like filling cracks, seal coating, or an asphalt overlay, or something bigger such as curb and gutter or street reconstruction. These projects are then submitted to the Capital Improvement and Street Maintenance Committee for final approval. During this process, the Planning Division also reviews the projects to make sure they fit in with the long-term plans of the city, and they look into possible grants and other funding sources. Once the projects are approved, city crews then collect field data on the area with info on things like elevation, buildings, driveways, and trees. That data is brought back into the office and downloaded into AutoCAD software with which engineering technicians can form a bird's-eye view of the street. Preliminary plans are produced and given to an engineer for design. The engineer determines things such as how wide to make the street, what type of pavement to use, and they consider bicycle accommodation and sidewalks wherever they don't already exist. Engineers also check the storm sewer system for adequate size and capacity, as well as conditions on the mains and laterals. In older areas of the city, lead water laterals are replaced during the project with new copper laterals. With the project design finalized, a contract is assembled and advertised for bid. The Board of Public Works opens the sealed bids and awards the contract to the lowest bidder in accordance with state statutes. When the contractor is ready to start, city crews return to the street and begin laying out where it will be constructed. Line and grade are also given to the contractor for sanitary sewer, water main, and storm sewer construction. Once they have all the underground work finished, the contractor then begins to build the street, and line and grade are also established for the subbase, base course, and the curb and gutter. During construction, a city inspector is also on site to make sure the contractor is performing all work in accordance with the contract. He keeps track of all the items the contractor uses in order to pay the contractor correctly, and also keeps the residents informed and answers any questions they have. When the project is finished, a final inspection is then completed to make sure there are no outstanding issues. After the project's completion, the Geographic Information Systems Division, otherwise known as GIS, collects information on the sanitary and storm manholes, inlets, and water valves and downloads it into the GIS database. It's GIS's job to maintain system maps which help other departments locate certain items out in the field. The GIS division is also responsible for keeping the official Wausau City map, as well as producing maps for meetings, other city departments, and property owners. This is only one example of how the three divisions within the Public Works Department operate in unison, but it's also a testament to how the men and women in the planning, GIS, and engineering divisions make your everyday life easier.